Adobe Swatch Exchange. It saves color palettes. You can share colors between Illustrator, InDesign, and Photoshop using this single file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's share the palette. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any ASE file. Let's try the simple solutions first. Files are color swatch exchange files used by Adobe Creative Cloud applications including Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. They contain color palettes with named color values enabling consistent color usage across design projects and sharing palettes between designers and applications. ASE Files use Adobe's binary swatch format storing color values in RGB CMYK Lab or grayscale color spaces with associated names and group hierarchies. The format follows Adobe's specification enabling cross-application compatibility within Creative Cloud and third-party design tool support. Typically, ASE files can be opened with Adobe Illustrator CC created by Adobe Systems Incorporated. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows displays basic content, yet proper editing depends on knowing the format. To resolve the application failure, right-click your ASE file and choose Open With. Check for Adobe Illustrator CC and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. When an ASE file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, importing into Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop and access the Swatches panel. Click the panel menu and select Import Swatches, then choose the ASE file. The colors load into your Swatches palette ready for use in your designs, maintaining consistent brand colors across projects. Next, loading in Illustrator. In Adobe Illustrator, open the Swatches panel and use the panel menu to select Open Swatch Library, then Other Library. Navigate to the ASE file to load colors as a separate swatch library accessible alongside your project's standard swatch palette. Finally, using in other design tools. Many design applications, including Affinity Designer, Procreate, and Sketch, support ASE format. Use each application's swatch import function to load colors. Online tools like Adobe Color or Coolers export ASE format for sharing palettes across the broader design ecosystem. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.